Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting problem. We got the square root of 100% along with these five options. If we simplify the square root of 100%, is it supposed to be the option A is 100, the option B is 10, the option C is 100%, the option D is 10%, and finally the option E is none of the above. And bear in mind, we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Let's focus on this radicand 100%, and here I have copied down 100%. And now we know percent means divided by 100. So therefore 100% could be written as 100, and then percent means divided by 100. And we know they could be reduced to simply 1. So therefore we could see that 100% is simply 1. So therefore we are going to replace this 100% with 1 over here. So therefore we can write this as simply the square root of 1. And now we know that the square root of 1 is 1. However, we can see that none of these options give us 1. So therefore we are going to tweak this 1 on the right hand side. And we know that 100% could be written as equal to 1. So therefore I can replace this 1 with 100% over here. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever. So therefore we can write this as 100%. So therefore we conclude that the square root of 100% could be written as equal to 100%. So therefore we can see that our correct option is C. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.